G'day, I'm Mighty. Welcome to the Mighty Outdoors. I'm passionate about the Mighty Outdoors and I'm passionate about men's health. And that's why this Movember I'm setting out on a multi-week solo bike pack-in pilgrimage adventure around the island of Shikoku in Japan. What is Movember? Well, I'm glad you asked. Put simply, Movember is the world's leading charity for men's health. Each November, henceforth called Movember, men and women around the world get busy raising funds and awareness for men's health, with the goal of reducing the number of men dying prematurely by 25% by the year 2030. The money raised each Movember goes to programs for mental health, suicide prevention, testicular cancer, and prostate cancer. And since 2003, Movember has funded more than 1,250 men's health projects around the world. Now, while it's men's health, it's not just about men. Because with fewer fathers, sons, brothers, cousins, and mates dying prematurely, our families, our communities, and our societies benefit as a whole. I'm proud to say that Movember started in Australia with 30 moustaches and has now surpassed 5 million mows. Traditionally, men grow a moustache during the month and use it as a talking point to get conversations started around men's health. Now, I have a moustache already and I'm going to take this mighty Mo on my journey around Shikoku. I'm heading out solo to challenge myself with something that I've never done before. Now, this adventure is personal too. I lost my father some years back to cancer. My dad was a passionate cyclist, much like myself, and cycling helped him with the stresses that he faced in his life. I remember that he traveled to the United States and did a 2-week bicycle tour around California. Now, I don't have his bike with me here in Japan, but I do have his tent and bicycle panniers. And as I set out on this adventure, I know my dad is watching out over me. Right now, I have this opportunity to challenge myself and raise funds and awareness for the good work that Movember does around the world. And that's what motivates me. So what about the pilgrimage itself? The Shikoku pilgrimage is a multi-site pilgrimage of 88 temples associated with the Buddhist monk Kukai, and it's on the island of Shikoku in Japan. The pilgrimage is undertaken by many people of different faiths, traditionally on foot, and for a variety of aesthetic, pious, and tourism-related purposes. For me, the stars have aligned, and it's a great privilege to set out on this adventure. I have a route planned, my gear packed, but what comes next is a complete surprise. So, stay tuned throughout Movember as I upload my adventures on my YouTube channel, The Mighty Outdoors. If you'd like to donate to Movember, you can click on the link in my Movember page in the description below. With the explanation done, there's just one more thing to do. Let's bring on the Mo. So the Mighty Mo is here, and given it's a pilgrimage, I decided to take a little bit off the top too. Bring on the adventure. Happy Movember, and I can't wait to see you next time in The Mighty Outdoors. Hooroo!